Europe's cultural legacy is one of the richest in the world. It draws millions of people every year to our archaeological sites, churches, castles, monuments, and museums. Its protection and conservation is a priority, not only to preserve the European cultural identity, but also because cultural heritage is a wealth creator that boosts economic impact and tourism-related business opportunities on which many cities and communities depend. EU heritage assets are extremely exposed to climate change and natural hazards, which threaten their integrity and may compromise their value. In the last 4 decades, many European institutions have carried out works on preventive strategies aimed at protecting the EU cultural sites. For example, in Italy, the pioneering project Carta del Rischio in the early 1990s began a long and complex survey that allowed for the first geographic mapping of cultural heritage at risk in the entire country. The same work has been carried out in UK in 1998 within the regional reports on the buildings at risk, in Portugal in 2001 with the Carta de Risco do Patrimonio Architettonico, in Greece in 2006 with the Research Innovation Project Krino Emmerich, and in Turkey in 2008 within the specific Targeted Research Innovation Project ProHitech. Although different in their nature and specific objectives, all these projects had prevention and public policies at their core. They all tried to achieve a detailed knowledge of the general condition of the country's national heritage and where unstructured support is given by existing disaster procedures. But none of them has focused on the following step: what to do next. STORM project incorporates such valuable information in a practical and useful set of tools for heritage safeguarding, taking it to a higher level. By making the processes user-focused and citizen-centered, STORM brings together wider awareness of protection and prevention than ever before. STORM will enable to go far beyond the current state of the art by way of preventive actions on the conservation of historic structures, emergency measures to mitigate natural or climate change-caused disasters, a network of shared knowledge and tools among all European partners. STORM tools and services will be introduced both to give a global view of the entire value chain and to promote the improvement of specific processes for protection and prevention. An integrated framework will manage those modules to provide a view that can be drilled down, giving stakeholders the possibility to improve it. The project therefore is completely in line with the EU policy statement towards an integrated approach to cultural heritage for Europe's realization of the value of the EU heritage. STORM will provide critical decision-making tools to all European cultural heritage stakeholders charged to face climate change and natural hazards. It improves existing processes related to 3 identified areas: prevention, intervention and policies, planning and processes. Select, evolve, and integrate innovative environment assessment methodologies to effectively and accurately process, analyze, and map environmental changes and/or natural hazards. Define and implement an innovative supporting service for the mitigation of natural hazards and climate change and the assessment management of corresponding threats while minimizing their impact. Provide innovative, cost-effective, non-invasive, and non-destructive methods and processes, as well as applications for survey and diagnosis, based on the study of materials properties, particular environmental conditions, and profile of the cultural assets to be assessed. Define and implement models and services for generating and managing a situational picture based on the data information collected from the field by physical and human sensors and evaluators, the so-called crowd sensing. provide innovative practices, software, and tools for more reliable maintenance, quick restoration, and long-term conservation of the cultural heritage assets, preserving their historic and cultural integrity. Define a collaboration and knowledge-sharing framework for the community of stakeholders to co-create, share, and maintain improved practices, knowledge, and experience on cost-effective and eco-innovative solutions for sustainable management and conservation of cultural heritage in Europe. Propose adaptations, changes in existing policies, and validation of new knowledge in government processes. Cost analysis for the site's protection against natural hazards managed by the Storm data analytics tools. Storm will be tested through case studies in 5 different countries: Italy, UK, Portugal, Greece, and Turkey. The test sites are Diocletian Baths, Rome, Italy; Mellor Heritage Site, Manchester, UK; Troia Roman Ruins, Portugal; Rethymno Historical Centre, Crete, Greece; Ephesus, Anatolia, Turkey, as well as one other relevant site run by an associated partner, Pompeii, Italy. The type of risks will be shown that are most prevalent in each site and region, contributing to building a European risk map. The project also counts on the support of ICCROM, an intergovernmental organization dedicated to the conservation of cultural heritage, founded by UNESCO. Storm leverages the cooperation of a unique multidisciplinary team consisting of 20 partners and 2 associated partners, all of them with proven hands-on experience, supported by their scientific excellence and technical innovation, provide the competences needed to ensure the implementation of functional and effective solutions.